All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this little tire tool. First of all, you want to get this out. So you've got this little catcher right here. So if you stick it in there and you pop it like that, you can get part of the tire out. Then you can grab it with this, and then you can just roll it and just pull it with this as you go along. Or if you wanted to, you could just go like this. Same thing, right? And what it does is it just pulls the end of the tire off of the rim. And you just go around. I'm keeping my hand against the rim so I don't scratch it as I go around. And now I've completely pulled this side of the tire off, which makes it easy for me to get the inner tube out of it. You follow me? So that's how you use that, right? And then you just got to get to your inner tube. Now you can't get your inner tube out unless you take the cap off, because it won't go through the hole that's right there. So now I can just go ahead and pull this through like that. And now I've got it here. Now this, for some reason, this tube has still got air in it. I don't know why, but let me go ahead and get it out of here. And we got to put a new one in. But I'll just pop this out. And I don't know why this is leaking. I can't find the leak on it, but it's just not working, right? So I've got to get another one of these. But that is how you remove an inner tube or a tube or whatever you want to call it from a fat tire. Now this is a 26, I think, by 3, but this inner tube is much bigger than this is more like a 4-incher. But anyway, we've got to change the tube in here, and we're gonna do that too. But let me put this back on here. This one here keeps leaking, even though I put it in water and I can't find the leak on it, but it just keeps on pouring air out of it. So I've got to get a new tube. But anyway, that's how you use this. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.